Good evening, Professor and my fellow students. Welcome to my short presentation on Computer-Assisted Language Learning interest section of the TESOL International Organization. The focus of this interest section is to facilitate interaction between members of TESOL who would like to pursue their career or improve their career in teaching of English as a second language, or might it be English as a foreign language, and languages in general throughout the medium of computer-assisted language learning. It is located on the homepage of the TESOL International Organization. Then you choose Communities, Interest Sections, and the Computer-Assisted Language Learning, short CALLIS. Is going to be there. In a little bit I will guide you through their website. So that intersection is targeting basically anybody, but primarily language teachers, graduate students in TSL, TFL, because and also administrators with different levels of CALL expertise. So what does it offer? There are a few things that you can find on that intersection. First of all, it provides an overview of the computer-assisted language learning through different articles, research, trends. There are a lot of materials, including books, software, and websites. It also tries to keep the members aware of all the current activities and projects within the computer-assisted language learning. There is a certain forum or like a discussion board for all the members to share their experiences and opinions. There is a little catch. It is a membership subscription type of a service, I guess. And following that link, we'll go there in just a second. You can find all their membership options. This is all with the overview. Here's the link to my reference. So let's go on the website and see how it looks like. As for the membership options, here all of them represented. They're either for 1 year or 2 years, not so much, not so little. However, good news is that for a TESOL student, right here, the membership option for 1 year is $35, and if you wish to pay for 2 years, it's only $60. I actually went further and paid the fee and got the membership so that I could closer see the materials, and I'm pretty sure that would be a very helpful source for me in my future studies. So first, of how to get there. So here's the home page of the TESOL organization. As I said, you click on the communities and choose the interest sections. Here all of them presented here. Let's just scroll down and see which ones they have. Non-native English speaker teachers, that's all for us. About adult education, I'm very interested in that one. Applied linguistic, bilingual, multilingual education. Here's the computer-assisted language learning that we need. But before, there's English for specific purposes, about higher education, intercultural communication, very important. Materials, writers, pre-K-12, so for really young students. Reading and vocabulary, refugee concerns. Brad, maybe you will be interested in that. Second language writing. I know writing is your area of interest as well. A little bit about social responsibility, speech pronunciation. We can scroll for a long time, but the bottom line is that there are a lot of really useful interest sections, especially for our program. So, but let's get to computer-assisted language learning. You can see there is a statement of purpose there, some latest discussions. But here we go. So there, with the membership options, you'll have access to discussions. Here are all of them, different topics. You can click, look through them, participate, response. Here is a very cute one: how to solve the pandemic teaching issues locally. Here's a speaker. Oh, there is a fee. Oh, it's a certain seminar. So there's a fee and you can register and take part in it. Feedback wanted creating and using video in the online classroom. Here we go. That's exactly what I'm doing right now. So I believe those are just like starters, discussion starters. There haven't been any responses to that one. Let's go to this one. So here we go. Call for participants, research and assessment in TESOL courses taught online. My previous subject was digital assessment. So once we finish, I might read on that. Here we go. Here's the one with the responses. Anyways, those are the discussions. Then you have access to library. And they have all kinds of different resources here. And the last one that is also really valuable for networking is members. And here they are. You can find all those members, connect to people. You can search for them if you're looking for a particular person and start talking to them or add them to your contact list. All in all, I'm honestly very satisfied with the fact that I got this membership, and a little disappointed that I haven't gotten it earlier, especially our professors talk about it a lot, but well, better later than never. Thank you so much for your attention. I hope you will use this source in future. Bye bye.